For taking care of your machine, all you need to do is maintain and keep this area under the throat plate clean. Start off by taking your scissors and clipping the thread up at the spool and then pulling the thread towards you. This is going to make sure you don't drag any extra lint that you have back up into your machine. Go ahead and take the needle out. So you're going to need your screwdriver for two things. First, the little screw at the top here, where we can drop that out, and then go ahead and take the presser foot off, just snap it towards you and that will come out. Slide your bobbin case door off and take your bobbin out. Now your screwdriver is going to lift on this throat plate. You can do it on either corner here and go ahead and just lift, and that is how easy it is to get inside. Next, this part is actually your little holder here. That is going to come out, and then you can take your bobbin case out, just lift it and remove it. This is where all the hook comes around. It spins as you take a stitch. So it actually goes around 2 times for every time you take 1 stitch. So down in here, this is where all the lint's going to be. So you've got a brush. You can pull that out. This is my favorite. It's like a little dust-it. It's like a sheepskin, and it just swooshes all the lint out of the machine very easily. And make sure you get nice and clean. You can even touch the thread scissors, and then that way you can see this will come over, and if there's any extra threads that need to be cleared from the selective thread cutter, you can kind of get to those at that time. Now, how often do you need to do this? You want to do it about every 3 to 4 bobbins. That's a lot of sewing if you think about it. And remember, no oil comes with this machine because you definitely do not oil down in this area. So to put the bobbin case back in, you want to go ahead and again, if there's any extra lint or dust on the bobbin case, you can go ahead and clear that out now. Then take the 2 points and point them towards the feed dogs. It's really only one place this sits in here, so just let it rock back and forth. That is correct. And then you'll take this part here. This has a part that needs to be lined up even with the front of the machine, and then it just lays down flush. To put your throat plate back on, go ahead and line up the back part and then press down firmly. And that is all you need to do. Next, go ahead and put a new needle in. Put your bobbin in and get everything reset. And one thing I always do is I tell people to use their needle threader when they're threading their needle. So even if you don't do it on a regular basis, this is the time to do it, because then you'll double check that you have put the needle high enough up into the shaft there and make sure it got properly placed. If it's got too low, then the needle threader won't line up, and then you'll know, oops, something's wrong before you start sewing. So thread up your machine, test it out, and that is all you need to do about every 2 to 3 bobbins. And then that way, each year you want to take it to your Husqvarna Viking dealer and have them clean and oil the rest of the machine. They will keep up on all the regular maintenance for both the machine and the embroidery module.